Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into A Savvy Life. I am Tish, and I thought that this would be the perfect day to share our empty house tour. It is exactly 1 year today since my family packed and moved from our old home into our new home, and I had footage and I just kept on holding on to it, but I figured today would be the perfect day to share that with you because we are celebrating our move. Looking at this, I see our sweet little dog Zoe in her crate, not knowing what the heck is going on, but she's no longer with us. So seeing that in this footage just really touches my heart. But our home was a 3 bedroom, 2 full bath home, and it was wonderful for the time that we were in it. Our girls were much younger, and we didn't have as much things as we accumulated over the time. And it just got to a point where we decided that we were going to look. I didn't expect for us to move so quickly. We put our home on the market, and in just a couple of days, someone grabbed it. And of course, we had our eye on another home, and it just all worked out. The Lord certainly had his hand on us, and we did not expect to find the blessing of the home that we're in now, especially during the pandemic. Even now, the girls and I, and including my husband, we will come together and talk about our experience throughout this year and some things that we may have missed in our old home. And it's good to go back and look to see where we came from because there were so many memories made in this home. So many family gatherings were held here. So we will hold on to the memories, but we're so grateful to begin new memories in a new location. Our home was in a cul-de-sac, and the girls could go outside, and we didn't have to worry about them. Well, we don't have to worry about them now, but it was just our home and one other home, and that would be one of the things that I miss. But I absolutely love my location now. They're girls and well, I'll say they're kids my youngest age, so she always has someone to play with and get together. And I love where we came from, but I'm so grateful and blessed where we are now. In this home, we had a dining room, and this is not the dining room, but we opted out of using the dining room, and that was my office. And I did the same thing to our new home. In our master, we had the tray ceilings, and I loved that, and the light dimmer. That is one thing that I think I will miss just because of the design. But y'all, I'm so happy to have left this home and entered into another one. Thank you so much for watching A Savvy Life, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And until the next one, have a great day. Bye.